Today we will see how to make a South Indian traditional gravy. It's called rasam. It is made using a tamarind pulp juice. We have to soak the tamarind for until it gets smooth and mashy like this. So we have to take the juice and remove seeds and throw the pulp. And for the tamarind part, you're going to need onion, small onion, mustard seed, cumin seed, curry leaves, this is coriander leaves, garlic, and some mashed tomato puree, and this is tamarind juice, and some sesame oil for tempering. To a kadai, add sesame oil. Mustard seed, cumin seed, wait for it to splatter. Onions, little garlic, curry leaves. Little turmeric. This is dry roasted cumin and jeera powder. Switch off the flame. Now add in this puree tomato. And then the tamarind juice. Some water. Take some garlic and mash it nicely. Add some more roasted, dry roasted cumin and jeera powder. Because this is what gives the taste. Now switch on the stove. Add some coriander leaves. Salt for taste. And some hing. Give it a quick stir. As you can see the bubbles on the sides. When you see the bubbles, you should switch off the stove, because mud pots have the capacity to retain the heat much longer period even after you switch off the stove. So it is good in that stage. When you see a foamy on top layer, now the rasam is ready. Just give it a stir and you're good to go. Yummy, tangy, fresh, antibacterial, antivirus rasam is ready. It's very good for cough. It's very good for chest phlegm and cold and running nose. Should eat it with rice. Thank you.